All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a pretty cool little Porsche 1999 Carrera 2 Cabriolet. So it's a two-wheel drive version. These are the water-cooled vehicles. First year, actually, they came out with those, and they were actually a hit. You know, they changed the body style, they changed the car completely. Not as valuable as the older ones, but that makes it affordable, fun to drive. This one's got a 3.4 liter, they're 296 horsepower. And it's got a 5-speed Tiptronic transmission, so you can just put it in drive and go, you know, on the freeway, 405, whatever. Traffic, not a big deal. Or you can just put it in Tiptronic mode and shift through the gears, and it's got a plus and minus here on the steering wheel, makes it go a little bit faster. But even in automatic mode, you know, kick it down, it goes pretty good. And the cars aren't real heavy, so 300 horsepower gets you a long ways. But it's got air conditioning. It's got a power top, power steering. This one's got a partial Aero kit on it. So it's got basically the side skirts, and it has the front spoiler. It's got some expensive 18-inch 3-piece Speedline wheels on it. Those are really sought after. Matter of fact, when I bought the car, I didn't think they were real. When I looked at them, I'm like, wow, they're Techart Speedline. Also has the red calipers on there, Techart calipers. So they did some really cool stuff to it. Slightly lowered. Gives it a really mean look, you know, but the interior's in great shape. It's got low miles. It's only got 40,472 miles today. And it's got a newer top. Top was done, I think, a year ago or so. Local lady owned it since 2004, so she didn't hardly drive it. Just kind of a weekend, go have fun car. But we'll go up here and take some more pictures and video for you and give a little bit more rundown on it. All right, check out this 1999 Porsche 911. The designation for the car this year was a 996. So this is a 996 Cabriolet, two-wheel drive version. This one's sweet, man. It's got the Aero kit on it, at least part of it. Some of them have a big wing on the back. I kind of like it without the wing. But it's got the side skirts, the front spoiler. This is the power spoiler that comes up automatically. They all have that. This one has the dual exhaust. It looks like the motor sound package, a little bigger tips. It sounds great, runs great. It's only got 40,000 miles on it. It's got these really expensive Speedline 3-piece wheels by Techart. Also has the Techart red calipers. That's an upgrade. But it runs great. Nice low mileage. Nice interior. This is Arctic Silver. It's a great color. The top is only about a year old. It's a lighter gray top. Also has these smoke lenses in the side. Those are usually amber. So a lot of neat little things that you can get out of a catalog when you bought these cars. But it's got the 3-spoke wheel, the silver gauges. It does have an updated stereo. You know, it needs speakers. The speakers don't sound that good, but hey, the stereo stuff is there. It's got an amplifier up front, and I already had a stereo guy look at it, so if you want it to sound really good, probably could be some upgrades done. But it plays. And back seats fold down there. These are the rollover roll bars, so if you get two wheels off the ground, those things pop up for safety. Hopefully that never happens. But nice looking car, black leather interior, the dash is in good shape. You know, there's that Tiptronic transmission. Pretty cool overall, man. What a great car. Not a lot of money. Drive a Porsche convertible sports car with low miles. It's a good one to get. Here's the power plant in the 99 Porsche. Like I said earlier, it's a 3.4 liter. They're 296 horsepower for the US market. It's liquid cooled. There's your little coolant reservoir there. But you know, still got that boxer engine. These things are great. Lots of power. Not too difficult to maintain. You know, good independent Porsche facility or something like that can take care of it for you. Looks like there was a recall there that was done. But you know, that's a fair amount of horsepower, and they're backed by a Tiptronic transmission. So it's a 5-speed automatic. Like I said earlier, you can shift either way. Just put it in gear and go. I'll go ahead and fire this one up for you. And they have a factory alarm system and everything too. Pretty cool. Hey, there's my buddy the mailman. Anyhow, thing runs great, sounds great. If you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, Rich. If you need some financing, you want to get this shipped or whatever, just give me a ring. Maybe we can work something out. come by and take a look. Thanks for watching.